Here we go with the unboxing of the Midnight Solar MPPT controller for wind, solar, and hydro. I just got this in the mail. I'm very excited about checking it out. I'm going to hook this up to 4 LG solar panels. They're 280 watts each. And man, I've been waiting for this for a while. I got this off of Amazon. Just look at the box. Look at the design. I love it. So check out the video. Hopefully you like it. This over so we can see how it looks. There's definitely some weight to it. Let me make sure it is all in the video, which it is. Oh, look at that. First of all, check out the styrofoam. They even got the Midnight Solar with the emblem and everything going on there. So if you want to pause your video to just read that real quick. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Looks like I got some reading to do. How many pages is this? 42 pages. Let's get to it. I'm very excited. Ooh. Oh, yes. Is that in focus? Can you see that? Oh, that's beautiful. Yo, this thing has got some weight to it. I can already tell. That's what I'm talking about right there. Made in the USA. You can't go wrong. Oh my gosh, guys. Just the way this feels, you can tell it's not junk. I'm not even hyping this up or anything. Oh, it's beautiful. I've waited, man, I don't know, a couple months. I just had to save up some money to get this. I've read all the reviews. I know Midnight Solar is one of the best, if not the best in the business. I'm so psyched right now. Whoa, what do we got in there? Okay. So, I don't know if you can see it. Let me come around. It just looks like there's 2 fans inside there. If you can see the other one. And inside this bag, there's a, looks like screens, like grommets, that are probably going to go around this spot here and on the side. Look at this thing. My gosh. I got it all the wrong way. I can't wait to hook this up. I hope you like the unboxing video. Check out my other videos when I hook this all up. I've got some reading to do. Thanks for checking out the video.